Hello everyone, today we are going to make underwater effect.
Never mind. Oh,
As you can see here, I removed its background using quick selection tool. The tutorial for it is available on my channel. If you want to learn quick selection, how to use quick selection tool, then the brief tutorial is available on my channel. I will link here in description box. So here I am done with the cutting. Now placing my background, which is a pre-made underwater background, just dragging and dropping in Photoshop. As you can see here, now adjusting is length. Now I need to make that layer in upper side of this background layer. Now I'm going to increase its width using crop tool. Now increasing its length. First of all, for increasing, I Ctrl plus T, drag upper side. Now making this a model layer small size. As you can see here is some lines is appearing. Going to get rid of it by coloring the layer mask with a black color. You should know the one thing that if you color a layer mask with a black color, it will erase it. If you color it with white color, then it will undo it. Now I have to give the underwater effect to this model. For that, blending mode to overlay. Now making it normal because of I want to make its layer copy. So just dragging and dropping on this copy icon, going to make one of it at overlay blending mode. As you can see here, it not appearing as clear. The under layer I will going to make overlay and reducing the opacity of upper layer, so it will look like it's the model is in underwater. Just checking for which opacity it will going to give us real effect. Now cropping the excessive part which is not in use. All photos and effects are used in this tutorial. I am going to link in description box and going to give this splash effect over this water to get effect like the girl is fall in this water. So created a new layer and over it I am painting this splash effect. Now I have downloaded bubbles brush, so loading it in Photoshop. As I click, then it will go to in Photoshop. As you see here, bubbles are appearing. Now going to reset this brush for getting different size of bubbles effect. As you can see here, I'm getting different size of bubbles. Painting this bubble brush around this model to get effect like she is falling in water. To increase or decrease the brush size, use opening and closing or square bracket button. Now giving blending mode to overlay to this bubble layer.